I'm use the beads, this one. This is the new beads, and we're going to use it to make a bracelet, other clasp with magnet. Make this one. Okay, you can show me the chain. This is the new beads. This is a kind of the stone, but this stone price is very nice. Hi, Mila, happy to see you. This beads is nature stone, but the beads price is very nice. Only sell it $3. Yeah. Let me translate.火焰石 flame stone. This stone is nice price, only $3. Then let's going to use it to make some bracelet with the silver color. I will going to use the silver color. This one. Yeah. And we'll go to made by silver with this one. It can be do in any design. Here I make it by silver. And the middle one with 0.8. The rubber one by the. Let me check if the beads is okay enough to go through. It works, so we can go made by all the silver color. Okay, this middle will be by short 30 centimeter. Okay. 1 millimeter. We are going to do it here by made a loop here. Here is a loop that we made. Here, this way. 1 millimeter, this one is 30, another one is 60. So total is 3 feet. We string the beads first. One millimeter, 3 feet the wire, middle one's 1 feet, and the rubber wire 2 feet. 2 feet means 60 centimeter. 60. 60. So this, and then the beads like this, and the wire here, middle wire, the rubber wire we are going to okay, here. cross here. Yes, Lois Lane. Then here we can go wrapper this way and the wrapper this way. So this way and this come and wrapper again, bend and bend and come the beads again. If each time you wrap the right one first, you just keep all the same. Always wrap the right side and then wrap the left. So wrap the right side first, wrap the left side later. Okay, then again continue. Wrap the right side first, wrap the left side the behind. So hello Dana, happy to see you. So always repeat. Wrap. I only wrap a half circle. You see, only half circle here, and another side the same half circle, and this side half, and this side half, and half, and this side half, this side half, this side half, this side half, 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 half. So you can see the braid. The braid is nice. Just always repeat. Wrap. Okay. Wrap and wrap. Wrapper and wrapper. Okay, last wrapper. Last wrapper I will wrap it one time, but not half. Wrap it one time here, and the other side come the same way. Wrap it one time, so this will become it stronger. Okay, here. Then here we left 2 beads extra, no need. Okay, so this is the beads match with the silver here. Then we make a loop or make a hook. We go to make a hook directly. We have the wire extra here. Measure the length. Okay. Okay, here. What size wire to wrap 1 millimeter? Wire, all the wire is 1 millimeter. We don't use the 0.8 here. All the wire 1 millimeter. Fold. Yes, all is 1. Make the hook. It's a small size bangle. If whose wrist is small, you can get this one as the free gift. It's not